ETF for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so na enije sem aba Ghanaian music industry no enije sem aba na endebo ko Twitter nkofo bebre edi eburu se chese nkofo ni age a wo muni age ye pa a Shatta Wale din trend at number 1 answer na beto aso no subscribe na click notification bell no so ye na sa latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka say okay, Yango, so we entertainment story. The Bremo. Shatta Wale has been nominated for Grammy. It is not directly, but Metro Senior Grammy no a year juma, and yet directly say you are nominating directly, but he has gained nomination. Now Metro Senior Grammy no a year juma, Amma Shatta Wale sebe winner a year nomination. How Grammy works no any Yamfane say me a international musician and I'm a music. Okay, me a musician. What you say? Maybe me feature Bobby to say Shatta Wale. Na me album enya nomination ewo Grammy album say na eya wo mu nominate. Na me album enya nomination ewo Grammy a. Album no esan say me mato enjom ewo album ne so nti no. Say me album no e wini a. That is say me nso me wini Grammy ne bi. That's how Grammy works. Sana Grammy eye juma. Sebe nipa ko abobo beat e wo njum ba ko so kra e ma sebe wo ana njum bia so omo bobo beat e wo njum ne so e wo album ne so no. Wo mo nso ye fa ne se wo mu win Grammy no. That's how Grammy actually works. Iti nkofo no se citation bia wo mu benya bi. Iti e fa ne se why your album now album no e wo 12 songs. Wo album 12 songs no e win Grammy a obi a wo bo eye beat e won njum nini na so yemfa ne say njum 12 nini are different people and a bo beat no wo mo nso Grammy ebe recognize wo mo say wo mo nso e win Grammy ni bi because the whole album won it e bia wo din mu na ye de nominate ye but Grammy de wo mo hu ne say album nini na iti bo bia wo ye bibia wo album ne so no ye fa ne say ne ba ko nso e win Grammy iti in light of this no album a feature Shatta Wale was so ye ni Beyonce already Njuma will feature Shatta Wale was so plus other African musicians no sa album no enya nomination inti indirectly na etrese Shatta Wale so was sa album ne so inti etrese indirectly Shatta Wale has also gained nomination indirectly etre say Guilty Beat because Guilty Beat a Ghanaian beat producer we hear 3 songs wo beat Emma Njum Miensa ewo Beyonce ne album ne so Guilty Beat nso trese wono nso indirectly wenya nomination. Inti afred ya wase ye bompa ye Emma Beyonce ne album no ewini ana trese Shatta Wale ewini Grammy ni bi no. Inti Shatta Wale has gained Grammy nomination. Na debia Shatta Wale bonjom say Grammy finally wenya. And then we call Twitter enkofu bebre trese wo munyaje ama Shatta Wale wo mo trotron sem bebre say for nye easy Shatta Wale nankasa I responded to this na me pese me ma wo hu ade a Shatta Wale otroye na ye read the comments wo nsema Shatta Wale wo de atudwa efa sa Grammy sensem we ho ade a Shatta Wale try ne say at long last my name has entered Grammys thanks to the Beehive team. Patience is truly the key. Pam. It's a Beehive team no Beyonce the fans no sa no mo from ho senior Shatta Wale ne de no mo from SM Beyonce de no mo from Beehives senior Stonebwoy de no from Beam no Beyonce de na Beehives nti o say what da Beyonce ne nkrofo na se na ne kre what twen honhom nipa se wo twen honhom a ade atrese ebe boa opan wo say patience is truly the key. At long last, my name has entered Grammys. Not just any niaje say ni din ewra Grammy list ni mu. Me person me read the comments. We be say he dey come lie all the Ghanaians who nominated you. And then asama we be ka say oh Shatta Wale who be chantro we be ani ho a we nominate you. Na nipa kru we no we nim Grammy no how it works. We feel say Grammy works like any other music awards, but send your matter to mu atremo no. Mokra Mube who said indeed Shatta Wale has gained a nomination in Grammy. Not directly, but still a nomination. Now, the Bakuwe Ebisa Shatta Wale say he dey come lie to Ghanaians who nominated you know. And Shatta Wale reply in back no say your father nominated me kwasia. And then Shatta Wale as a man in back no kana ashe Shatta Wale pa. Obi bisa say how did it enter? And Shatta Wale can oh you forget through your oh Charlie asemo. Obi say we are there already SM for life pam. Obi also say congratulations. Obi say oga check very well. It might be editing no and then asema will be can't like clearly Obi who say ebimo still one more person be the one more dey no. Obi also say we are happy. Obi also say great. Obi say indeed Oluwa is our boss for life. Obi also say Shatta Wale. Obi say pam. Obi also say Shatta Wale use somebody's phone to tweet this. We make happy pass you. Obi also say we enter already. Obi say oh he had oh hey. Obi say congrats. You come from far. The hustle hasn't been easy. Obi say congrats Shatta Wale. You make us proud. Obi say Shatta Wale, you do everything. It will just send your air banner in Kofu Bebreniaje. But let me just say this: that Shatta Wale is not the first Ghanaian artist. BBC Wonya nomination indirectly through Grammy like this. I feel say I think it was last 2 years or say last year. The same thing also happened to Stonebwoy. Now Jamaican musicians are from Morgan Heritage. One the Stonebwoy eto one more album so and as our album no any nomination. See indirectly no Stonebwoy so any nomination. It has also happened for Stonebwoy before. It's no one more ebia woman ni beje say oh Shatta Wale is the only artist Ghana has their way out on the derby. It has happened for Stonebwoy before. Say Chronixx Stonebwoy last year Chronixx and also Jamaican musician one also your nomination Grammy. And now Stonebwoy Chronixx the way so it's also indirectly not say it has happened to Stonebwoy severally. This is the first time Shatta Wale is experiencing something like this, but it's still big news. Will be back away there any direct even though it is not direct no Shatta Wale. But once a story in the bar no Shatta Wale will be a release the album this year. Maybe we say Shatta Wale album no and I say enya Grammy nomination no but no enya the album no Beyonce album as Shatta Wale was so no various artists because we share one more trust Grammy Beyonce featuring just a nomination say no more try no one trust Beyonce featuring various artists. It's just one more musicians in here but various artists no him say Woodin woman and actress Woodin woman Mr. Easy Wizkid Shatta Wale Burna Boy woman near woman count. But Burna Boy and Kasan so woman kasa album will release you know that album solely has also gotten a Grammy nomination. It's Burna Boy the end there a huge. Ono the album will release here African Giants no album nankasa and actress enya Grammy nomination. And as our album ne so no the only Ghanaian musician that was our album ne so Manifest. Na actress Burna Boy win this Grammys now. Just a Manifest so we need Grammys. It's no you bet me aka say okay Shatta Wale enya Grammy nomination. Manifest so enya Grammy nomination. It's no there are the two musicians Ghana this year more enya Grammy nominations indirectly into no interest no sanete into will be a champion will be say pam will be say we go take him no worries my king we your fans got your back pam. Now one thing about Grammys they say Grammys need there any voting no and now I say Academy Award they say yesusu say nkrofobia wo mu nim ewiase ni na wo mu nim ndwum wo mo betena say aka say we they say we in Grammys need there any voting dey win nti wo mo ka say hey we there we support we vote no that be Grammy no Grammys no there any voting and no any voting and you know that's what is coming. We'll be say King Wale well done, we'll be say pam we'll be say SM for life, we'll be say the king is back pam we'll be say patience is the key to success, we'll be say pam we'll be say champion I am a happy man into what by in tremu no na media man ebia na just say will be kokan wan kokan ye ati ase ebia no obi kokan wan kote ase an kan ye into in tremu no na media man obi say we've longed for this. Obi say we dey your back pam papa. Obi say pam papa the anthem all the way. No size. Congratulations Shatta Wale for making us proud. Obi say only one man, history maker, Wonder Boy. Congratulations. Inti wo share say Obi kan Wonder Boy na. Ni ba ko na ye say Wonder Boy album no enya Grammy nomination na dabi. Enya Wonder Boy album no a featured nomination na Shatta Wale enya e. Mo ntia mo adwen e wo comment box no tie for me da say.